Today, we're in Moony's science lab, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do some really cool at-home science experiments with simple at-home items. Should we get into the first one?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's do it. For this experiment, you'll need 2 glasses of water, some cane sugar, and some food coloring. Did you get that?
Yes!
Awesome! Let's pour the sugar into one of our glasses of water. Okay, so we have 1 glass of water with sugar and 1 regular glass of water. Now we're gonna do some food coloring. Let's see what happens. Wow! Did you see how the glass with the sugar, all of the color stayed at the top? And the regular glass of water, it turned it all red. Cool, right? Let's do another experiment. For this science experiment, you'll need the same 2 cups of water, except make sure you dump out the sugar. Now, we're going to add salt to 1 of the glasses of water. Now, you'll take 2 eggs and put 1 in each cup. Let's see what happens. Wow! Do you notice how in the regular glass of water, the egg sank to the bottom, while with the salt water, it floated to the top? Cool! First, I'm gonna take the blue food coloring. Wow! Notice how the food coloring droplets didn't dissolve into the oil? That's so cool! Let's do some yellow ones. All of the colors are starting to drop. Wow, so cool. Thanks for joining me in Moony's science lab. I had so much fun with this experiment. Make sure you try it at home. It's super easy. You just need vegetable oil and food coloring. Oh, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.